Welcome to Bana Hills. In this video we will show you everything you need to know, everything you need to visit in Bana Hills just in one day. Good morning, it's 7 a.m. in the morning. We are now in Da Nang and we will go to Bana Hills for full day activities. We just been picked by our driver, and as you see we have a private bus just for us. Not really, we will need to pick other people also, but after we pick them all we will go to Bana Hills. It will take about 1 hour and a half or maybe more, and we pay for this shuttle bus around 250k dong, and the entrance will be 900k dong, Vietnamese dong, around $40, something like that. Pretty expensive, but it's one of the best.
Let's hope it's gonna be worth it.
Yes, let's hope it will not rain because we don't have raincoats. Let's discover Bana Hills, one of the greatest attractions in Asia. Just arrived at Bana Hills and we are prepared to climb up to the Golden Bridge, the famous Golden Bridge from Vietnam and all over the world.
Yeah, today it's Sunday and we have been warned that it's gonna be very busy, around 5,000 I think.
5,000 people, yes.
Here.
And in the summer can reach to 60,000 people.
Yeah, so it's gonna be very busy. And I don't know how many photos we can take on the Golden Bridge because it will be full of people, but we will see upstairs what happens.
Are you excited, babe? We are starting from Hoi An station. First station from Hoi An to Marseille. It's a bit scary.
It's quite a long ride.
We are almost in the clouds. Welcome to Bordeaux. We are on the Golden Bridge right now and it is crowded, full of tourists, and it is also fog as you see. And be sure to bring a blouse or a jacket because it's pretty cold outside here. Laura is freezing.
Very cold up here. I think there are like 15 degrees or something. And I have a dress.
We bought a scarf for an extra price.
Yeah, it's with wool, at least it's warm. If you're visiting Bana Hills during November, please know to take warm clothes because it's very, very cold up here.
It's just noon time, so we will hope that we will come here later and we'll spot it at its best.
This is the weather, really smoky or cloudy, but you cannot see from the distance so many things. I'm Frozen. I'm Ella from Frozen.
Right after the Golden Bridge we are at Le Jardin d'Amour. There is a lovely atmosphere. We have French music teleporting us to France. We are in a labyrinth right now. Whew. So wonderful. It's fog, but we don't care. We are at Bana Hills. It was one of my dreams to see Golden Bridge and also all Bana Hills. Right now we are at Memory Garden. Wow, with this fog it creates a picturesque sightseeing. Lucky cat.
There's Buddha statue. Barely you can see it.
Very, very beautiful French garden. Can you guess which is real and which is not? Who remembers Kinderdijk in the Netherlands? Now we will see the pagoda and also the reclining Buddha. Here is a pig with his horse. These are some of the best pagoda that we've seen yet in Vietnam. Right now we will go to the next station. From Bordeaux we are taking the cable car to Louvre.
Welcome to Jurassic Park.
We are experiencing the 3D video. Right now we are in a 5D movie. We have a gun, we have a horse, and let's rock and roll. Hasta la vista, baby. Bana Hills. Walking and enjoying the park.
I've never seen such a beautiful place.
Let's go to the castle, my princess. Hey princess, wait for me. Hey Santa, where is Rudolph?
Now he has a horse.
It's not Disneyland, it's Bana Hills. It's incredible what they've done here. It's like we are in a different world. If you're from Vietnam or just from Asia, you definitely need to come to Bana Hills to experience the European vibe. Actually, this looks like a lot like France, because here there were some France villages. Time to eat something, and we will taste something from the Lotteria.
Yeah, I'm starving. I'm starving.
We will choose the family set. We just eat and it's time to visit Bana Hill. We have 2 or 3 hours left. I think we could stay here more than one day. It's awesome. We would like to take pictures of everything, and it's pretty incredible what they've done here. Just a heads up, we are still in Vietnam. Right now we are at Helios Waterfall, and they kind of remind me of Versailles Gardens. Basically there is a whole village, a whole Vietnamese village here, but we will not climb it. I found my zodiac sign, Libra, and happy that I am calm, balanced and peaceful.
This place is like a dream. I just can't believe that it's real and it does exist. What they did here, it's just out of this world. I feel like in the movie. Where's the princess?
You're in a movie!
A beautiful movie.
Travel and Tell No One movie.
You know you're on the right path when reality is better than your dreams. And yes, this is reality.
We are at Louvre.
Xin chào. Please remain seated.
You shouldn't be afraid, Max. Who says I'm afraid?
We are now going with the funicular. So from here we went up here. What an awesome day. We stayed 6 hours here and it was not enough.
I think we need to stay at least
8 minimum.
to see everything and to play with everything and watch everything they have. Yeah, you need like 8 hours. Oh, there's another one coming.
Xin chào. try.
Xin chào. We had so much fun in Bana Hills, we felt that we were part of a fairy tale. The amazing vibes made us forget about the cold weather and we were sad when the day finished. You must come here, not necessarily because of the Golden Bridge, which we barely saw, but for the entire Bana Hills that offers an immense variety of attractions. This is Travel and Tell No One, reporting from Vietnam. See you in the next one.